The coin game, how to play. The object of this two-player puzzle game is for the penny to capture the dime within 7 turns. The object of the dime is to avoid capture. Draw a circle on a piece of paper. Draw 3 evenly spaced ovals within that circle. Draw a long vertical oval connecting the 3 smaller ovals to the large circle. At each of the ovals' axis, draw a large dot. Draw 2 more dots near the top of the circle. There should be a total of 15 dots. Draw 4 arching lines to connect the dots in these specific ways. Place the penny on the top middle dot of the circle, and the dime on the bottommost dot of the lowest oval. Pick one person to be the penny and one to be the dime. The penny goes first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must move your coin along any connected line to the next available dot. Once you have moved, your turn ends and your opponent goes. If the penny moves to the same space as the dime, then the penny wins. If the penny fails to move to the same space as the dime by the end of the 7th turn, then the dime player wins. There is a trick to winning the game. If you would like to see the solution, check out this video.